What's up, my friends? Fragile. Do the unboxing with y'all. Y'all get to look at it the same time as me. Came pretty fast from Las Vegas. Not sure what to order. No, I hope not. 5% off. There she is, Latam, Latin American Boeing 787-9. Pretty big box. I hear something bouncing around, and I hope it's not a broken model. I really hope it's not a broken model. I hear some noise. It's not one of those pop. Oh, it is a pop top. It looks brand new. It doesn't look broken to me. Let's not hope that. Right. I didn't want to put y'all through that difficulty opening box with one hand thing. Like the colors. Yeah, I don't think this has ever been opened. And I'd rather that they checked it and make sure it wasn't broken before they sent it from Las Vegas, but apparently they didn't. This is like wrapped around the front of the fuselage to help you pull it out, I guess. It's pretty tight. Yeah, they wrapped it up pretty good. A lot of plastic. There's the model, guys. Without the landing gear yet. Dreamliner. (787-9). Charlie, Bravo, Golf, Mike. Bravo, Golf, Mike. Charlie, Bravo, Golf, Mike. There's a stand and the landing gear. And covers for the landing gear. Pretty small. I'll open this up and put it on. There's the landing gear. And I like that the landing gear and the cover comes in separate bags. I mean, could you imagine this in 400 scale? It's already so small. Yeah, you know me, I got a 50-50 shot of guessing which one I'm gonna do it wrong. A little magnet to hold it in. I got a 50-50 shot, right? I'm gonna guess it wrong every time. Doesn't fit in so well. Tell me it's broken. That looks broken. The other one has the same thing. Oh, it doesn't really snap in good. Oh, there's no magnet. Where's the magnet? Oh no. Doesn't really have a magnet here either. This must be metal. The magnet's in here. That one fits good. This one doesn't fit so well. And you gotta kind of like force it in there to fit right. Oh well. I mean, it's gonna look good, I'm sure. And here's the little one. It's not gonna focus. That's cool. My other models don't really have that. I guess I've never had a 787 Dreamliner, but look at this. It has like the fake landing doors where the landing gear opens and goes in. Alright, looks much better on the wheels, on the landing gear. Alright, let's zoom out a little bit. Take a look at the L1 door. It's a Chilean flag. It's not the Chilean flag, it's a Chilean flag. This is Latam's based in Santiago, Chile. Well, at least it used to be. I don't know where it is now. But it used to be based in Chile. Probably still is. Nice looking logo. Nice looking, what they call it? The marquee? No. Forgot what they call it. Got some cut here doors in case of emergency. Nice looking model. Oh, I'm not so sure about the nose. Aye, aye, aye. Oh, you see? The landing gear doesn't want to stay in. The landing gear came up. Yeah, shouldn't be dragging it around, so, but. Does that nose cone look good to you guys? I don't know. I haven't seen enough Dreamliners in person to be the judge of that. Engines look nice. That's weird. I have a phone, my camera, phone. Oh, look at the rudder. It's the actual rudder. You can see with the actual rudder, it's actually not touching the fuselage. I hope that's correct. I don't know enough about the Dreamliner to tell you if it's correct or not. It's probably correct. Wow. The APU exhaust is pretty big. There's the cargo door. What do y'all think, guys? Let me know in the comments. Y'all like it? I like it. My first 787. Found it at a good price. Didn't want to spend $150, $180. I forgot what I paid for it, but pretty sure it was like $120, $130 maybe. I didn't want to spend $180 on a model airplane. I've done enough of that already. I don't have a good tool to stick in there to see if it actually turns. Sometimes if you blow in it, you can tell. No. I can't tell if it turns. I don't want to stick a pin in there. It looks pretty pointy. Are 787s really that pointy? You see, if you drag it even a little bit, the landing gear wants to come out. You can't drag it. Not that I should be dragging it anyway, but. Alright, let's look at the wings. They're swept back wings. Alright, I got my A330 Hawaiian out. Let's see what it looks like on side of that, because I think that's its like main competitor, right? Well, the 777 also, but yeah, a little bit longer, a little bit bigger wings. The Dreamliner has a little bit bigger wings. Fuselage looks about the same width. Pretty similar, except for the wing size, and the engines are totally different. Well, one's an Airbus and one's a, I guess they could have the same brand engine, but they don't. This is the Latam, and this is the Hawaiian. All right, let's get the 777 out and see what it looks like. All right, you got the Latam 787. And there's a 777, Emirates 777, which is a really nice plane, by the way. I make videos on my channel. See, the wings are much bigger on the 777. The wingspan is much bigger. The length is similar. I think the Boeing 787's got like I want to say 208 length, and the 777's 242, I think. So it's like a good 30-something feet longer. Let's see, how many doors does it, the Boeing 787 Dreamliner have? 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. And the Emirates has what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side. So it looks like against a narrow body. Alright, I got the 787 Dreamliner next to a 757-200. It's a really nice plane too, by the way. The 757-200, video on my channel. The wings are really different. Much smaller on the 757. And this is the Airbus 321 Neo. 757 is barely longer, 9 feet longer. Alright, smash that thumbs up button for me. Get one more look at the Latam, since that's the main focus of this video. Nice colors. Red, gray, and blue. Chilean flag, L1 door, Latam marquee. Alright, smash the thumbs up button and I'll see you on the next video. It's Johnny V out. I didn't put it on the stand, I'll put it on the stand. You get the standard metal looking stand. Yeah, she looks really good on the stand. Alright, now smash the thumbs up button, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.